Vasudeva see a ray of hope. Lord Vishnu smiled as he looked at his future parents. He said, "Do not grieve. Your agony shall soon end." Vasudeva looked up hopefully. "Oh Lord, what should we do?" he asked Lord Vishnu. Lord Vishnu said, "Your friend Nanda is the chief of the cowherds at Gokul. His wife Yashoda is about to give birth to a baby girl named Yoga Maya. You must take me to Gokul and leave me there with Yashoda. Take Yoga Maya back with you to the prison cell." "O Lord Vishnu, we cannot leave the prison cell. How will I escape with you to Gokul?" "The guards at the prison door," said Vasudeva. "Do not fear, O Vasudeva. When the time comes for you to go to Gokul, nothing shall stand in your way. With my blessing, you will be guided at every step." Hope filled the hearts of Devaki and Vasudeva upon hearing these words. Lord Krishna is born. As the time for Lord Krishna's birth neared, the stars formed a special constellation. A star called Rohini shone brightly. The glittering star comes out only on special occasions. The planets fell in line and the music flowed as gods and apsaras, divine nymphs, danced. The time for Lord Krishna's birth drew near. The Brahmin priests were delighted as magic flowed in the air. Devaki shone like the sun because Lord Vishnu was about to be born to her. So bright was her radiance that no human eye could bear to see her. Lotus flowers blossomed in lakes. Rivers became calm and peaceful. As soon as Lord Krishna was born on the stroke of midnight at Ashtami, flower petals fell from the sky and covered the earth. Prithvi rejoiced at the birth of the Lord. Vasudeva was filled with joy to see his eighth child, who was the incarnation of the divine Lord Vishnu himself. Lord Vishnu performs a miracle. As soon as Lord Krishna was born, Vasudeva became alert. With the blessing of the Lord, the prison chains fettering Vasudeva fell upon. The prison gates opened on their own. The prison guards fell asleep. "There is not a moment to be lost. You must set out for Gokul with our son." Lord Krishna pleaded Devaki to her husband. "You are right. I shall leave for Gokul immediately with him. Evil Kansa should not come to know of the birth of Lord Vishnu, for he will surely destroy our eighth child. I must leave at once," said Vasudeva. "Be careful. May Lord Vishnu guide you safely to Gokul," said Devaki. "Do not doubt Lord Vishnu's blessings. He shall be with us at every step on the way," said Vasudeva. Then he placed Lord Krishna safely in a basket and quickly moved out of the prison cell. He headed with resolve to Gokul. The perilous crossing. As Vasudeva neared the mighty river Yamuna, which had to be crossed to reach Gokul, the rain began to pour down heavily. The crossing was difficult. Vasudeva stepped into the swirling waters with faith in his heart. As thunder boomed and lightning cracked across the sky, Vasudeva wondered how he would get to Gokul safely. To protect Lord Krishna from the rain and storm, Sisa, the great serpent, speared his mighty hood and shielded him from the storm. The river was flooded and water level rose high, but just as the wave touched the Lord Krishna's feet, the river calmed down. Even as the rain fell, Vasudeva's firm footsteps guided him to the palace of the chief of the cowherds, Nanda. Vasudeva thought, "What if the palace guards see him with my son?" Then he saw that Lord Vishnu had put the palace guards to sleep. Vasudeva crossed the sleeping guards at the palace and soon reached Yashoda's birth chamber. Lord Krishna reaches Gokul. Soon Vasudeva reached Gokul and met his friend Nanda. Nanda was beaming with joy on the birth of his daughter. Vasudeva told him the whole story and handed over his son. Nanda gave his daughter Yogmaya to Vasudeva. He kept Nanda's newly born daughter in the basket and took her along to the prison. When Vasudeva reached the prison, he placed the baby girl next to Devaki. As he did so, the prison doors clanged shut, the prison guards awoke. They raised a loud clamour when they saw little Yogmaya. The guards immediately ran to tell evil Kansa about the 8th child. Vasudeva comforted Devaki and said, "Do not worry, Lord Krishna is now safe in Gokul. Kansa will never be able to reach him." Devaki said, "It is the blessing of Lord Vishnu that evil Kansa will not be able to harm our son." Kansa's fate was now sealed.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.